I just wanted to say thank you to Kim Tolson for creating her insurance billing for telemental health providers. Her course is amazing. It has a ton of information in it. It really helps those of us that are, going forward with a telemental health practice have more legitimacy and understanding and professionalism with how to conduct ourselves, especially in the world of insurance, which most of us need.
And I heard about Kim's course and I totally bought it. And I love it. It really gave me some solid foundation into understanding the online billing world with insurance. And I needed so much guidance and hand-holding, and Kim has been there every step of the way, even today. And I refer to her course. I use her documents and things that she has created.
In Kim's course, not only was eye-opening for me, but it gave me the confidence that I needed in order to accept insurance. I had someone doing billing for me, but as the practice owner, I really didn't know the ins and outs of what that meant or what my billing really looked like. So taking this course helped me to understand all the wild jargon that we have to go through as practice owners.
And then I came across Kim Tolson's class on billing or telehealth insurance, and I took the course and it was well worth it. It really is detailed and gave me the confidence to go out and get credentialed with insurance companies.
I always have a space to go back and turn to when I have questions, and Kim truly has been amazing throughout the whole process.
So thank you, Kim, and all the energy that you put into your practice and your course, and into all of us who have purchased your course. So thank you.
Closed group on Facebook, so we're all out there to help each other with any kind of insurance questions.
Even if you do use a biller, it's really important that you know how to do things yourself, okay? So get the course if you're even thinking about it. Okay.